Hello everyone. In this session I'll be discussing how to generate the sketch using AutoCAD. So have a look at the sketch. I'll start from the central vertical line, then slowly I'll explore the sketch stepwise. There is an offset here on either sides at a distance of 90 that I'll do where I have circles. So overall height of the sketch is 70 plus 30, 102, followed by there is an outer radius of 74. So I'll take around 160. I'll take a line and I'll draw a vertical of 160 length, and I'll convert this line to a center line and color to axis color, 2H color. Let me move the circle near the sketch. Okay. So after this I just offset the same axis by 90, offset, double enter through this one, 45 to the right and 45 to the left. When I do this, it is matching with this. So let me select move. Okay, the size is very small. Let me, F8. I'll use this. Then I'll delete this part of sketch. Now it is a bit clear now. All right. So offsetted, after offset, what is? Is there anything? Yes. Okay. There are two horizontals at an offset distance of 72 and 30. Two horizontals I just need to draw. Okay. Let me move all the three lines from here. Alright, I'll draw one horizontal somewhere as a center line, F8 on. Okay, that horizontal, let me take that as the top horizontal. From there 72 offset and 30 offset. Let me move this a bit up. 72 offset this by 72, and from here it is again 30. Yes, correct. Now wherever that offsets intersect, there you have a circle of two holes of 20 dia. These two of 20 dia, one half I can create, other half I can mirror it. And here at center, wherever it meet with the center, there are two more circles of 8 diameter and 15 radius. 8 diameter and 15 radius. I will go with circle, enter. This is of 8 diameter, means 4. Then again circle, 15 radius. This is completed. And let me draw this circle, and that is of, what is the diameter given? 3 holes, so this is also 8, 3 holes of 8 diameter, so that is also 8. See, enter at this point, 8, and maybe here this is also 8 diameter. That's the same point. You have one more radius of 14. So here you have a radius of 14. Enter to repeat the same tool, and there is a tangential line passing through. Simply I just complete the bottom half. Shift right click tangent. Don't draw straight away. Okay, you may lose to attach properly. Okay, you can mirror it, or you can again repeat the task. Right click tangent. While practicing, try to repeat the tools again and again. Definitely your hands will be free to draw. Unwanted things remove, you get the shape. This is not required, so select, delete. Alright, next. There is an offset of 60 to that center line. So before doing that, let me draw this rectangle 20 by 84. That rectangle you can draw it outside. 20 by, what is that? 84. 84 is the height. 20, tap 84, enter. Okay. Now where I need to place this rectangle, exactly at what point, that point you should know. Yeah, bottom, wherever you have a 72 offset, there you need to fit it. Select M, enter, hold the bottom midpoint, match with this intersection. Alright, now this line is not required. This is completed. Here there is an offset of 60. That 60 you are supposed to draw. Now what I'll do, I'll start drawing these two circles. This circle of 20 diameter, two circles of 20 diameter. So I'll take diameter option 20. It is also one more 20, followed by 20 radius is also there. Take a radius option. So this is how it look like. Okay, simply you have to draw tan radius. Here this radius 74 is given. 74 is given. So what I'll do, I'll go with an option called tangent and radius. There, this is 74. From this point to this point, I'll make it as 74. Yes. Then TR double, enter. What is unwanted here? This is unwanted. This is also. Escape and select the remaining part, delete. This is how it is going to be. Okay. Now this offset of 60 I need to draw 60. For that I'll again take O, double, enter, this line to offset of 30 on both the sides, right and left. Take a line, wherever it intersects from there, drop till the quadrant, enter, enter. Okay, do the same to the other side, select from here to the quadrant, done. This is how the sketch look like. Okay, now if you remove the unwanted, then you will see the required parts. Here if you'll see, here it is maintaining a radius of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just try to do it first. Radius, this one, this one. This is how it look like. Again we'll try one more. This one, 12. Similarly I'll repeat, or else you can mirror, not a problem. Sorry, 1 to 12. Oh, there is a problem with the connectivity. Tangential should meet. Fillet, radius of 12, done. Alright, now trim unwanted. This is the unwanted curve. When I remove everything actually, because we need to hatch it, no? These things internally, whatever is visible, I'll try to remove. I'll just remove. Now this line I can delete directly. Okay, now what is unwanted here? TR double, enter. Internal circles are not required. You can zoom and delete. Check, zoom, delete. Check, zoom, delete. Yeah, this is also not required, and this part of axis, this part of axis. Alright, then this line. Overall this is how it is going to look like. Then if you want to give any hatching, select, firstly try to select the complete sketch, then change the color, maybe yellow or green, whatever is, whichever you feel comfortable. Then unwanted things, if you remove it, look better. This is not required. Okay, so it takes enough time actually to delete. That is the reason we have an option called layers. If you follow layers, then you can save a lot of time. Whatever the time I'm wasting in deleting now, that can be saved. Alright, that I'll discuss. Okay, now if you want to give hatching, go to hatch, select the internal portion, then change this color to maybe some other. Yes, if you want, you can increase the number by 30 and say okay. Now this is how your sketch will look like. Alright, so you need to have patience, and you should know how to read the dimensions and how to go stepwise procedure, whether your approach is a top down approach or bottom up approach. That you should make sure. That is all for the session. If you have any questions, you can comment in the box. Thank you.